The Russian twist itself is an exercise for the abdominal muscles. It works several times in the abdomen. It is believed that the exercise will help relax the abdomen before any kind of sport. In today's video, we are going to show you the benefits of performing Russian twist every day for just 10 minutes and the proper way to perform it. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Improve metabolism. Regular exercise leads the body to improve the metabolic system. This will help convert food into the energy that is needed to perform the exercise. Thus, it will help in strengthening the metabolic rate. It is the same process as the health benefits of arugula that change energy fast into strength muscle. Frequent practice of Russian twisting also helps in muscle strength. This will optimize the coordination between all the muscles in the body. Therefore, it is better to increase muscle strength and help with more flexibility. This is the same health benefit of herring fish that also works to strengthen that muscle. Fat burn. As the metabolic system increases, the body will need more food to burn energy. When the meal is over, the body fat starts to burn. Therefore, this exercise also a good way to help burn fat strongly. This is similar to the benefits of bike exercise for weight loss, which also increases fat burning. Weight management. Another benefit of Russian twist exercises to help with weight management. It's mainly for those who feel the weight. Frequent exercise will help to lose weight and avoid further weight gain. Therefore, it is a much better way to manage weight properly. Avoid cardiovascular problems. Doing this exercise also helps balance cholesterol levels inside the body. It is important to manage a good cardiovascular system and avoid any blood clotted. Thus, it will help to bring better blood circulation. The same procedure as the benefits of running for cardiovascular health that helps avoid further cardiovascular problems. Manage blood pressure. By doing the twist, it will help to manage blood pressure better. Thus, it can help avoid high blood pressure. It is also best to reduce stress with symptoms of high blood pressure and better manage the symptoms of the condition. So, how to perform Russian twist properly? If you are a beginner, start by pressing your feet into the floor or fully extending them so that you can get a sense of the movement. You need to have the ability to stay in the initial position without a dumbbell before you can then add the weight. You need to have the ability to stay in the initial position without a dumbbell before you can then add the weight. If this proves challenging, it's a sign that your core strength should be improved. Then you breathe deeply and steadily. Exhale while you twist and inhale while returning to the center. Ensure that you do not fail around. It is highly beneficial and safe if you perform this exercise with a slow and controlled movement. While twisting, ensure that you reach down to tap the floor beside you or keep your arms parallel. Cross your lower legs if you want to gain more stability. Do not slouch or round your spine as you are meant to maintain a straight spine. You can rotate a bit through your upper back. However, ensure that you lock your lower back in place. Your gaze should follow the movement of your hands. Weights that can be used for this workout include a kettlebell, dumbbell or mat bell, but it's not necessary. So here we end up for today. Will you start doing Russian twist from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.